Hi there, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are gonna discuss about variable in Google Apps Script. So basically, in general sense, the variable is a container or storage. It can hold some value or different type of values. Okay, in the script, we will see it how it works. I will write first a function. I have given the function name variable testing. So what I'll do here, I will log a result. The result is the name. So now you see this is the name is Subrata. So now if I save it and if you run it, what will happen? It will log this value Subrata. It is already showing here. So now what I'll do, I will add here a variable. And now what I'll do, I will replace this value with this variable. And now if I save it and run it, it will show the same value. It means now you can see this variable is holding this actual value, and now when I am using the variable name, it is showing this its actual value. It is. So now here you can see I have written var is variable. We can declare variable different way. Let's say I can write here late or more different thing. We can declare a variable. Let's say I can write here the is 30, and one more different one is const const. Okay, so now you see three different type of variable I have declared here. So now I will log here one by one. Now if you save it and run it, it will, yes, it will show or it will log the exact value which one this variable is holding. Now you see a is 30, it has written here. Okay, the same way it has written for country. Now you can see here how we can declare the variable. So now I will show you that how many different types of values can be held by a variable. Okay, so now it is the name, it is a string. This is, it is a number, and I will add more. I will change it as a verb as of now. Constant true, or we can add as false. So it is type of boolean. Boolean is always either false or true. Here I will add array value. Array start with this bracket. Inside here I will write the name. Okay, this is array. Next one is we can add one more is object. Object start with this bracket, and there will be the key set name, then comma, one more key set is 13. You can see all different types of values in different variables. Okay, now if I log here one by one, Now you can see what I have done for log. I have directly wrote here the name. It will return this value. For age, obviously it will return the value 30. For the constant, it will return the value false. And now array, there is many values. Now you see all are comma separated. So now what will happen? Base first value index number is 0 and its index number is 1 and this one is 3. So what I have done, name and the bracket is 1 is there is the index value basically. So I 1 it means this is the 0 and this is the 1, so it will return this value kuntal. So here kuntal should be returned. And the object, so there is the key set, actually this is the key and it is the value of this key, and is this is the one more key and its value is 30. So this is completely an object. So now what will happen, object, I am now calling the object and the key value is s, it means it will return 30 again. So now if I run the script, so let's see if it's returning the correct value or not. What happened here, first there is the name, it has written Subrata, and the age, obviously its value was 30, it has written 30, and the constant, it was false, it has written the false. And next name, it has written Kuntal because its index value is 1. Here you can see I will make another video separately only for array. And the object, it is returning the age, it is the 30 again. Okay, now already we have discussed different types of values of variable. Now we will see two different type of variable based on its position or its situation basically. So now what we can do, we can write the variable outside of this function. Let's say name. So now what we can do, I can clear everything. Now you see I have declared this variable outside the function. Now if I run this function, it will return this value. So I am not declaring this variable inside the function, but I am using this variable inside this function. So now if I make another function, okay, from this drop down, now you can see two function names are now showing here. So I will select the second function. This is the function with the second position function. So now if we run this again, it will show the same result. This is the same name. So it means when it is required that the same variable need to be used multiple time in different function, that time we can declare the variable outside the function. It is very helpful. Now there is the limitation. Limitation is, now if I okay, so let's suppose I want to write the const and name. We cannot do this. I cannot save it because when I'm going to declare the const variable, so I have to write the variable const is constant, so there must be a value. So that's why I am not able to save it. But if you can see, so it is variable. Now I am able to save it, but when this one I am not able to save it. So what I'll do, const, I will write here the value Chan. So now I can run this function. This is the second function and it is giving me the result. So there is one more limitation is let's suppose I'm going to clear this one, and here I am trying to declare or change this value. So here what I'll do, okay, this function, this variable value is Chandan, but inside this function I want to change this value as Subrata, and now if I try to save it, now it saves successfully. But if I run this, it should give me an error. Yes, it is giving me the error that constant value cannot be reassigned, so it is not possible. But if I change it as variable or var, now it is possible. If I run it, so now you can see the previously outside of this function, so basically we said this is a global variable, and inside the function it is a local variable. So the same variable I am able to change the value when it is var. It is not possible in the const, but I can change it the same way as late. So if I change it as late, so again I am able to change the value inside the function in as a local variable. So if I run it, it will be yes, I am getting this value. Okay, that's all. In this video we have covered the variable, different types of variables and different types of values of variable, and local variable and global variable. So in the next video we are going to discuss about authorization process and to read and write data in the Google Sheet. So we will write data and we will read data from the Google Sheet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. See you again. Bye bye.